Are you aware of where the fuse boxes are located in the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox? Do you know how to read and understand the fuse box diagram to identify which fuse controls specific components? What steps should you follow to safely access and replace a fuse if needed? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block. In the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox contains fuses and relays that protect key engine components and electrical systems, such as the cooling fan, ABS, and ignition system. It's designed for easy access with a labeled diagram under the cover for quick reference. The fuses vary in amperage, allowing for targeted protection of individual circuits. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox is located on the passenger side, behind the lower glove compartment. To access it, you may need to open the glove box and remove the panel cover. This fuse block protects interior electrical components like the infotainment system and power outlets. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox contains fuses that protect the electrical systems in the rear of the vehicle, including tail lights, rear wipers, and power outlets. It features a diagram on the cover for easy identification of fuse functions and locations. Additionally, the fuses vary in amperage to provide appropriate protection for the different rear electrical components. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear fuse box controls electrical functions for components located in the back of the vehicle, such as tail lights and power seats. It provides easy access for fuse replacement and protection of rear electrical circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.